If you want to find your external hard drive on your MacBook, I mean the drive of your external hard drive, I show you how you need to find if it was not shown. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure your hard drive is connected with your MacBook. To confirm that, you just hold your hard drive and feel the spinning if it spins or not. Okay, it's spinning, I can feel that, and here you can see the light indication. So it says it's connected. It's a good sign if you feel the spinning. And then on your MacBook, you just head to Finder, and under locations, you will usually see your hard drive. So here you can see WD, which is my hard drive. If you see that, place the cursor and right click here and get info. So here you will find the hardware and software details of your hard drive. So it's formatted to exFAT. And the another way you can do is you just press command space bar and just type disk. Open this disk utility, you need to double tap and there you go. This is another way. Under external, you will see your connected hard drive, the actual name and the edited name, and here you can see whole details. In case if it shows partially, I mean the details was not clear or erased, but it shows the hard drive, you can do the first type or restore option if it shows restore. So if still it haven't shows, the thing maybe it's because your hard drive was formatted to NTFS. I mean the Apple devices only support exFAT, Apple file system, I mean APFS or HFS format. It won't support the NTFS hard drives. Usually the Seagate hard drive in default it was formatted to NTFS. If you use the Seagate hard drive on your MacBook, it won't show. In that case, first we need to format our hard drive to exFAT or HFS or APS, Apple file system. I recommend everyone to format your hard drive to exFAT because exFAT is the universal file format. So once you format your hard drive to exFAT, you don't worry about these things, Apple or Windows, Android. You can use the hard drive anywhere. To format your hard drive, it's actually pretty easy. You just open the Finder and place the cursor here, right click and erase disk. Here you can select those things. So here you can see APFS, HFS, FAT32. This MS-DOS is FAT32 and this is the universal file format exFAT. I suggest everyone to select this exFAT, click erase, confirm that, and that's it. After this, your hard drive will be visible on the Mac and the location. And if you want to eject, you just click the triangle. You need to click double time if it haven't cut like this. Yeah, it's done. Now it's safe to remove. Just disconnect to your hard drive. This is done. This is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about MacBook, you need to watch this playlist.